Shemai, Abi Harris dwi. I'm Abi Harris, the Chief Executive of the Health Board, and we're here to celebrate National Volunteers Week. Across the Health Board, we have around 300 volunteers who come in to help us provide our services, providing very much welcome support to our patients, to our staff, and to our local communities. And to every one of you, I'd like to say a massive thank you. Your contribution is really well valued. In National Volunteers Week, we'll use the time to celebrate and recognise the contributions you make. And some of the exec team are going to be out and about with volunteers t-shirts on, standing alongside you and undertaking some volunteer work ourselves to understand what it feels like to be a volunteer in our organisation. So thank you very much, each and every one of you, and we look forward to joining you later on this week as we come out and about and see what it's like firsthand to be a volunteer working in our organisation. Thank you. Diolch yn fawr iawn.